Hi viewers, welcome to MR Connect. Today we are going to see how to create a new GA property, that is Google Analytics property. Let me open a new incognito window. First we should go to analytics.google.com and we should sign up with our Google account. Let me just sign up with Okay, that's it. So after signing up, we will see start measurement, right? Otherwise start for free. So welcome to Google Analytics, start for free. So we can click on that. If we click on that, see Google Analytics will have an account and then property. Okay, so you can see here the next one will be the property setup. So first we should give an account name for it. I'm just giving Muhammad Riaz, or I can take it as MR Connect. So this will be the account on which other properties will be created. If we have multiple websites, then each website will have one GA property. Under this MR Connect account, we can create multiple GA properties. Okay, you can choose anything, whatever is required, and then click on next. So after clicking on next, we should give the property name. So I'm going to create a property for Long Beach Mobile Mechanic. So I will give a name for it. Then we can choose our reporting time zone. Let me choose it as US and Los Angeles, then the currency, and then I can click on next. So when I click on next, I should just provide the business information, what category it is. So the category, I can take it as autos and vehicles because it is my category of business, and the business size is small. And these are just the information which we are providing to Google. It is nothing to do with the Google Analytics. Okay, so I can choose whatever is required. So whatever is required, I will choose. I will explain it briefly in next video what are all these options and why we need it. Okay, so I can click on create. It's just that simple. We just need to accept after reading the Google marketing terms, and then we can click on accept. Okay, that's all. Boom, our first GA property is created and we will receive emails communication regarding this GA property. Okay, so that is just the account, and we need to create a property under it. So now this is the new property. We can click on new property, that is called data streams, and we just need to choose iOS or Android app, or it is a website. Since mine is a website, I'll just choose on website, and we will need to provide the website URL here. So let me choose my website URL and provide it here. Okay, without HTTPS, that should be the option, and the website name. All right, I have to provide a website name. It can be Long Mobile Beach Mechanic. Okay, that's all. If I click on create stream, then the stream will be created. I just need to copy this ID and paste it in my website. That will be the stream measurement ID. Okay, so we can just copy this global site tag, or we can use a Google Tag Manager. Anything is fine. So I will explain it briefly in the next video how to implement this analytics.